GR IAS Academy.
100 days, 100 themes, one goal UPSC Prelims. Hello everyone, welcome back to Mission Surya. In this program we deal with current affairs completely from Prelims perspective. So let's get started. So today in our most probable question series we are going to discuss about a topic from art and culture section. So caves. Why are we concentrating on caves? Caves are under threat. How they are under threat? Because there were illegal constructions. That's why Indian government wants to preserve and take stringent actions whoever causing destruction for the caves. The first caves we are going to learn today is Elephanta caves. They are located on Elephanta Island. They are from 5th century and dedicated to Lord Shiva. It is famous for Trimurti sculpture, that means three-faced, and it employs Gupta style construction. It is also included as UNESCO World Heritage Site. Our next caves are Pallava rock cut caves at Mahabalipuram. You know, right? Yesterday also we have discussed about Pallava architecture, right? So at Mahabalipuram there is a 7th century monument, that is Varaha cave temple constructed by Pallava dynasty. It is a relief which shows Lord Vishnu is rescuing Mata Bhudevi. So it also has a mandapam called Krishna Mandapam, which shows that Krishna is lifting Govardhana Parvatam, Govardhana hill. So in stone they are depicting these stories, right, using the architecture. So Pallava rock cut caves depict stories also with respect to Krishna and Vishnu. Here Vishnu is lifting the Govardhana hill to protect the village people from the rain and floods, and Vishnu is protecting Bhudevi. So that's how stories have been designed in the caves of Mahabalipuram. Next one is Belum caves. So Belum caves are the second longest caves in India and located in Andhra Pradesh in Nandyala district. They are the second longest limestone caves, comment the first longest caves in the India. Okay, it is declared as a geoheritage site by Geological Survey of India. So it was documented by Robert Brucefoot, and in 2002 it is open to the public. So here the important things to remember is Belum caves, second longest limestone caves, location, and documented by Robert Brucefoot. Okay. Next caves is Borra caves, located in Anantagiri hills of Andhra Pradesh. Okay. They are among India's deepest limestone caves, and which is formed by Gostani river, and it is a 1 million years old cave. Okay. Next caves are Pataleshwar caves. They are 8th century caves which has rock cut temples from the Rashtrakuta period. So this is a monolithic. Which type of rock it is used for monolithic structure? They are using basalt rock, and it also has Nandi Mandapam, which is circular in shape, and pillared halls as well. Okay. Next one is Nanaghat cave. This is very important topic for you because there is an inscription in this place by By whom? By Shatavahana Princess Naganika. Okay? She is the wife of Satakarni I. So, Nanaghat cave accommodates inscription along with the cave. Where it is located? It is located in Maharashtra on the Nanaghat Pass, which connects Konkan coast to the Deccan Plateau. It is also an important trade route in ancient India. So it is constructed around 1st century, associated with Satavahana dynasty. Especially Naganika has given inscription in Nanaghat caves, and she is the wife of Satakarni I. So what is here for us to remember for the exam? So these caves are used for used as a rest place for traders and travelers. It contains a large stone jar used to collect taxes from the traders. It's not a chaitya or vihara. What are chaityas and viharas? Places belonging to Buddhists, right? So these are not used like that. They are used for a tax collection and for the commemoration. Means there is an inscription on it, right, by Naganika queen, and it is located as a strategical point for collection of taxes and used for commercial purposes. Okay. So what are the inscription? The inscription is written in Brahmi script and Prakrit language as well. It is one of the records that is given by Shatavahanas. Queen Naganika has given this inscription, and it gives us the information about the genealogy. I mean, who is the father of whom, who is the son of whom. That information is present in this inscription, and it also specifies what kind of sacrifices are done by Satavahana rulers, especially about Ashwamedha and Rajasuya yagas. So this tells us about how Shatavahana kingdom state is formed and how legitimate it is with the help of the inscription. So what sculptures and reliefs it accommodates? It has information about Shatavahana rulers, royal family members, but those are not preserved. Even now they have been lost. So what is the importance? We just told that they are collecting taxes, right? It is located on a commercial pass. So it is located on a key trade route. Politically, it says about Shatavahana lineage, genealogy, right? So politically it says about who is born to whom, who is the father of who ruled from when to what they have achieved, what sacrifices they have done. Every information was there in the inscription. So religious, what is it? What's importance? It is specifying Rajasuya yagam, right? It is specifying Ashwamedha yagam. So it is giving us the information about rituals they are conducting, and they are saying about tolerance, because Brahmanika, Satavahana rulers are Brahmins and Naganika is Buddhist. So they are telling about religious tolerance and how they are coexisting. So that information is also given in this inscription, and it is one of the earliest long inscription in India. So this is the importance of this inscription, that is Nanaghat inscription given by Naganika at Nanaghat cave. So it is a trade pass cave, but not primarily Buddhist monastery. So this is important. Location Maharashtra, associated with Satavahana dynasty, Queen Naganika inscription. Okay, languages Prakrit and Brahmi script, and it mentions about Vedic sacrifices that are done by Satavahana rulers, that is Ashwamedha and Rajasuya Yagam, used for tax collection from the traders. So it is used more of a commercial purposes. Okay. And next comes our project PARI, that is Public Art of India. So it was done on 46th World Heritage Meeting. So what are its aims? To stimulate dialogue, reflection and inspiration. For what? For culture. Okay. So we are telling about culture. So mainly what it talks about? Paintings. There are different paintings, right? So let's see how the paintings have been took evolution in India. Initially rock paintings, like the way sculptures has evolved, architecture has evolved from rock cut to stone temples to everything. So here paintings also have seen some evolution. So the first category is about prehistoric paintings, that is rock paintings, and then comes mural paintings, miniature paintings, folk. So the first important paintings are located at Bhimbetka rock paintings. Those are some of the oldest rock shelters. So okay, there are 6 limbs of painting which are called as Shadanga, which is mentioned in Kama Sutra, which was written in 3rd century. So what are 6 limbs of painting? The first one is Rupabheda, Pramanam, okay, Bhavya, expression, Pramanam means proportion, Rupabheda means differentiation, Lavanya Yojanam, composition, Sadrishyam, resemblance, Varnikabhanga, use of colors. We know, right? We know this. We know this. We know this. Right? Only the thing is, they are specified here clearly with the names in Kama Sutra. So let's see about rock paintings. We said that one of the most important rock paintings is Bhimbetka caves. So where they are found? Bhimbetka, Mirzapur, Pachmarke caves. So what they say? In the older caves, what did they say? They depicted hunting scene, dancing and animals. They have drawn all these pictures in the caves. So what colors they used in these paintings? They used red ochre, white color, and they also used green or yellow in certain paintings. So what type of paintings they made? They made pictographs and petroglyphs. Those are engraves, means you know, right, how you engrave your names on rocks. So they did even that. The next one is mural paintings. So where they are located, mural paintings? Ajanta caves and Ellora caves. Yesterday we have discussed about Ellora 16th cave, right, Kailasnath temple. So yeah, Ajanta caves and Ellora caves, they have mural paintings. They have paintings on walls and ceilings as well. Technique used is fresco secco. It is a dry technique. Okay. So the surface is dried and then paints are applied. So they are not absorbed by the wall. They stay. So that's why they can be easily corrected. And what themes? Jataka tales were painted on these sites, and when it was famous, more of a Gupta period, they took its zenith. Next type of paintings are miniature. In the name itself we get to know that they are small in size, right, and they have intricate detailing. So we can see clearly how we can see the lips, we can see everything, right, so clearly, flowers, leaves and everything. So that how much clear miniature paintings are there, and they will be painted on either paper or a cloth. And when it has begun under Humayun, and During Akbar time, this has seen golden period. Mostly they paint real pictures, whether it could be court scenes or any picture of someone or any real scenes. And the school it uses or different Mughal school, Rajput school, Pahara school. Depending on the school, there are different types. So Rajput school, they have painted more of Ramayana, Mahabharata and Krishna Leela. And here bold colors were used and symbolism is used. In Pahari school, which was in Himalayan foothills, themes are Radha Krishna, love, more of a love was expressed in Pahari school, and soft colors and lyrical expression was used in this Pahari school. Okay. Next one is Madhubani painting. Many would have heard, right, Madhubani paintings. Where are they from? Bihar. Usually done by women, and there are no empty spaces. Usually they are filled with motifs and double line borders. Okay. And they will be using natural colors. Different styles were used, and this is also GI tagged. And then comes Pattachitra. From Odisha, it is painted on a cloth. Here the surface is prepared with chalk and gum. Themes are mostly of Jagannath cult, and there are different types of Pattachitra, whether it can be cloth or palm leaf. And then Varli painting. See this Varli painting, it is from Maharashtra. Usually they have white on red background or mud background. Usually, mostly they have triangular figures of human, and they depict daily life of the people, and usually they will have this tarpa dance, the composition in circular fashion. Okay, those are Varli painting. And then comes Tanjore painting, right, from Tamil Nadu. So they use rich colors and gold foil work. Okay, they also use beads and precious stones. Usually they have the Hindu deities pictures in case of Tanjore paintings, and they are developed under Nayaka rulers and Maratha rulers from 16th to 18th century. And the last one is Kalankari paintings. Even it is very famous for saris, dress materials, many, right? So they are from Andhra Pradesh. They uses natural dyes, and mostly they will have themes from mythological stories like Ramayana, Mahabharata and other stories. And there are two types. One is hand painted and block print. Hand paint comes from Srikalahasti style and block from Machilipatnam style. So next one is Kalighat painting. See Mata Kali there. Okay, it is from West Bengal, and it will be having bold sweeping lines with minimal background and themes mostly of religion or satire on social issues. It's developed under Kalighat temple from 19th century. And then comes most important topic, Pahari painting from Himalayan region. So it has two types of school, Basoli and Kangra. Mostly you would have heard about Kangra paintings. So Basoli uses bold colors and mostly intense expressions, whereas Kangra uses soft, romantic and naturalistic. Themes are about more of a Radha Krishna's love and about nature. So have a glance about this. Okay. That's all for today. We'll continue tomorrow. For detailed notes, please visit our website using the link given in the description box. Follow us on YouTube, Telegram and Instagram channels. Links are available in the description box. Thank you.